Hi guys and welcome. If you're thinking about start your own business, definitely Shopify can be the spot for do that because it's one of the biggest and one of the most famous platforms in the world where you can buy and sell goods. And there's a lot of people using it. This video definitely can be handy for you if you're starting to make your own business. And in this video, I want to highlight the main things, the core knowledges that you need to know, and all the things that you will use to start your own business. I want to try to make this video as short as possible because I saw all those 1 hour long, 2 hour long videos, tutorials about how to start a Shopify. I don't want to waste your time. That's why I will show you all the things fast, easy, and pretty understandable and clear. So to start, the step number one, you need to make your own account. For that, you need to find the link in the description panel of this video, jump to Shopify and start a free trial. First, you need to provide the platform with your email address, password, and your store name. And that can be a little bit difficult because there's a lot of online stores available on Shopify, and all the nice shop, good store, and best shop definitely occupied, and platform will say to you. So you better create some more interesting and more specific store name. I will not show you how to pass the registration because it's very simple and easy. The platform itself will ask you, you making this website for yourself or for your client, you selling goods already or you're just starting to, you have an income or you don't have an income, you will figure out it, and it takes like less than 3 minutes. That's why I'll jump straight to inside of the platform, because I already created this account just to show you all the process and all the things that you'll see on the blank account and all the things that you need to take care of. And we're inside the platform. That's how it looks. So there are 3 steps, 4 even steps. First step is actually to get a trial version. The second step is to add a product. Third is to customize theme, and fourth is to add a domain. Home, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discounts, and apps. It's pretty clear, but let's take a fast overview about that. Home is a page that you can see right now. So add a product, customize theme, and add a domain. Also international traffic. And you can explore YouTube channel of Shopify to get more information about how to sell, how to set up all the things. There's Shopify Compass, get started in Shopify. A lot of tutorials and a lot of educational materials available on this platform, and you will figure out if you just complete 0 in the Shopify, you will figure it out for sure using all those educational materials, because they are very cool, powerful, and really useful. Orders, this is the place where you're gonna see all the orders, so the drafts and abundant checkouts. Products, this is the spot where you need to add all your new products, find existing products. Inventory, you need to take care about inventory, because if you have a lot of stuff, a lot of things, a lot of items, you need to apply all the inventory things here. And when you enable inventory tracking on your products, you can view and adjust their inventory counts here. Pretty clear and understandable. Transfers, if you have new incomes of the items, you can make all those inventory transfers here. Collections, this is a very interesting spot and very interesting tool for sales. You can display all your collections to your customers on your website. If you have a couple items to combine the collection, that can be great and that can be cool, and definitely it's very powerful and interesting tool. Gift cards, pretty clear and understandable, even will not say to you what are those. Manage customer details, all the customers that made a purchase at your online shop will be displayed here, and all the purchase history will be displayed here. Analytics. This is absolutely macro, and you need to consider this information while you're running your business. And this is very, very cool that this site has such powerful analytics, really powerful reports in live view and so on. Or if you want to use extra analytics, you can switch on the Google Analytics platform also here, and I will show it to you in just a minute. As an overview, there's a campaigns. You can run ad campaigns straight from here and straight from this spot. And automations, this is actually the things that will let you sleep while your online shop will work for you. And there's a lot of interesting tools and applications. For example, Snapchat ads, SMS bump marketing. Can you imagine you sending an SMS to your client or to your potential client, and it's straight on his cell phone, and it's very, very cool. And there's a lot more marketing apps, and not only marketing apps, and you can find all those in these apps and in a collection of applications that you can add to your shop, depending on the type of business that you're running, depending on the type of items that you're selling, and so on and so on, and quantity, and if you need those tools or you don't need those tools, it depends. And but definitely, if you will build a big, huge shop with a lot of items to sell, definitely those applications can be really powerful and useful for your business. So we jump into online store. You see there's an online store here, and sales channels. Right now only online store is available, but we can switch on more sales channels. We're not talking about them in this video, but I just want to show you this opportunity. And you know that you can switch on point of sale, free to add, point of sale, fees may apply. So, and in general, in any type of extra sales channels, they can take a fee for sales, but it's absolutely legal, and it's usual picture for all the online shopping and online selling thing. So, online store themes. You can customize the theme, but first of all, you see that online store is password protected. To disable the password, you need to switch on a plan. Yeah, you need to pick a plan. Let's find out what are those. $29 per month is a basic Shopify. Consider that 2% is transaction fee, and if you will buy the plan for $79, it will be 1%, or to $199 is 0.5% transaction fee. And this is one of the most important part. Actually, of course, if you have a big shop, you need a lot of staff, and you have 15 staff accounts, and so on. It depends on the type of your business. Is it big or small? You're just starting. If you're starting, definitely it's better to use a trial version of the site to set up everything first, and after just choose a plan and buy the plan. So we jump in down to online store themes. A lot of people making the same mistake with Shopify. They're building their online stores on default themes. And a lot of people who jump in their shop, like, it's absolutely clear that this shop is built like not from the ground. It's built not with a design, not with a pretty design. It's built just on a template that is straight default. So I suggest you to use other theme. Okay, there's this theme library, and you can discover a lot of free themes that you can use to build your own shop. And for example, Shopify theme store, let's visit it for a second, and I will show it to you that a lot of things are pre-made here, and a lot of things really that looks beautiful, that looks professional. A lot of industry types. See all industries. Look at that list. So you can find suitable for your type of business. You can find the suitable theme, but there's the price for the theme is, for example, $170, 180, and it can be not cheap, but you can sort it by free, for example, and you have just one free theme in the electronics. But maybe there are a lot. Yeah, there's a free 9 free themes, and so on. Like, you can use all those to make your website, to make your shop like unique. We're jumping back to the themes, and actually it doesn't matter which theme you will choose. Definitely the editing features are pretty the same, and I will show it to you. It's not drag and drop as you may see in other website building platforms. It's like classic website with a header and footer. It's not, of course, it's not the landing page. It is fully powered like website with all the things, and you can move those sections, move those blocks between themselves to make the shape that you want. And you cannot, like, it's a little bit unusual that you cannot manage things with a double click here, as you can in other website building platforms. But everything that you want to change, you may change here in the left hand menu, and it's pretty understandable and clear in all the settings. You'll figure it out. It just depends on type of your business and what you're planning to sell. Of course, this is a great opportunity to use free images that available on the platform. And if you don't have your own content, for example, for your maybe cafe, maybe you have a pizza, and here you go, maybe you're just starting and you don't have a physical product yet, or you just don't have money maybe to launch with a professional made great content. You can use those free images here, and it's gonna be great. So everything that you can change here. You can delete a section. To delete a section, you need to jump into the section, and you have remove section button here on the bottom, or you can add a section that you may need in your website from the add section button, and there are tons of interesting things that you can add. We jumping out of here and we go into products, and I want to show you that if you're pressing add a product, you can see that it's not drag and drop at all. You need to type the title. You need to describe your item using the keywords, because this is very important to search engine machines here in this spot. A lot of people using images and videos straight here in the description, and I suggest you to use the media. You need to set the pricing. For example, it's 100 for the item. I don't know which item is that, compared to price, for example, to 150. It will be crossed here. Cost per item. Now, if you using the drop shipping method, it can be handy. For example, it's gonna be 28. You buying it for 28 and selling for 100 is margin 72%, and profit, you see, charge tax on this product. You can charge tax if you're in US, and you need to charge tax on this product. Inventory, quantity, how much available, and so on. You need to take care about all of those, and after that you can launch your product, and you can sort your product with collections. I will not show you how to create collections. You'll figure out if you need the collection in general. So you will not be able to sell without a selected plan. So you need to select a plan. Again, basic Shopify is 29. Shopify recommended, of course, it's recommended 79, and advanced is $299 per month. So it's up to you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was useful, and I hope you will launch your own business in Shopify very fast and easy and without an extra efforts, and you're gonna get a big profits. Thank you so much. Have a great day. As I promised, not wasting your time at all. Thanks. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.